Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to use MaxXAudio Pro Easy Guide. Open MaxXAudio Pro from your system tray or app menu and select the device you want to adjust. Start with a preset like music or movie to get a baseline. Adjust bass, treble, and smart volume sliders in small steps while testing audio. Save custom profiles for quick recall and label them clearly for different uses. Open the equalizer and choose a preset to match your content, like music, movie, or voice. Toggle smart volume to reduce sudden peaks and valleys when switching tracks or apps. Use dialogue enhancement when watching shows to make vocals clearer without raising overall volume. Make incremental changes and listen for improvement, then save the adjustment as a custom profile to reuse across sessions and devices. Try the field or space controls to simulate different listening environments, like small rooms or wide halls, and notice how depth changes. Toggle surround processing for movies or games to widen the soundstage, and turn it off for music accuracy. If something sounds off, reset a single profile or export working profiles before making big changes. Keep a basic profile for daily use and a boosted one for movies and
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.